All right, I told y'all in the last video that the tub that I got was, from the Buick Electrics, it won't work. So I got another tub off of Bonneville right here in Greensboro, man, from Rumley Motors, right in Greensboro, North Carolina. So we're cutting it out right now. We're about to pull up right now so we can try to cut it off. I got my friends with me. We're gonna cut it out right quick, put it on the trailer, man, get it back to the house. All right, I found another tub that I can cut out. So 2 hours worth of work, got it out. It ain't gonna fall off. It ain't going on.
Okay.
Where you talking about? Okay.
We took a bonnet.
Appreciate it.
The convertible top 2000.
There you go.
All right, got it off. Got it to the house. I really appreciate my friends coming through for me. For real. Coming through for me at the last minute. Get this thing on. We're gonna start it all over. I got the right stuff this time. Out of Pontiac Bonneville. Except this time, I'm gonna cut this thing out and drop it in whole. Split it right here at the B pillar. Cut it straight across here, around the wheels, and split the back seat pan off of here. Cut it around this way. Drop it in.
Maybe.
My car's already gutted, so drop it in whole, man. All right, YouTube, we're getting close to that time. I've been working on stripping this, getting this stripped up and stuff, and getting the car stripped. To be honest, I ain't really been recording now, because sometimes I just been working an hour here, hour there. So, but I've been getting this cleaned up. Ain't nothing gonna get tacked or welded out here. Everything out here is just test fit. I got one more car that I gotta paint in the garage. I gotta keep the garage clean. So once that car is done, I'm done painting. And that's the last car I'm gonna paint unless it's my own car. And so after that, after I get that car out, then I can put this in. Then when I put that car in the garage, that's when I'm gonna line everything up, get everything straight, get everything, and then start tacking and stuff. Then once I get everything level, get everything, leveled out and straight. So, but out here, I'm just messing around and getting it all rough cut. But I got the whole tub cut out, everything. So drop that in. Like I said, I did it this way because I had to put quarters on it anyway. So dropped it in like this. I can brace all this stuff up. Once I put all this stuff in, I can brace it all up, clean it up, then put the quarters on. But I left it like this. That way, with this right here, I know where I'm at with the doors on. And then once it's this finished, then I can move forward and all that. All right, this is where I'm at right now. I'm at a standstill right now until I get the car in the shop. But what I am gonna do, I got an old trunk lid. The trunk lid that came for the car. I went and got one off Facebook. I got one off Marketplace for $100. Pretty good. But the old one is rusted bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the old one back on. I'm gonna take the latch out and put the old one back on, and then I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna tack it shut. And that'll keep all of this in line. That'll line all of this up, keep it all in line, and then I can piece by piece start tacking everything together. And then once I get it all tacked together and complete, then I finish cutting and I will put my quarters on.